Do you feel the vibes?
Once you simplify all that, and again, I don't want to go through too much of it for time. Once you simplify all that, what you end up with is this. And that's how you can find the distance between any 2 points using polar coordinates. Okay? So why don't we apply that to this problem here? So an air traffic controller is tracking 2 airplanes flying at the same altitude. The coordinates of the planes are 8 and 60 and 4 and 300, where the directed distance is measured in miles. Sketch the graph of this situation. So you have 1 and 8, 60. So if I make each of these 2, that's plane A. Plane B is at 4 and 300 here. What I want is that distance over there, okay? So this is R1, and this is R2, basically. So we're going to plug it into the formula. The distance is going to be the square root of R1 squared, so that's 8 squared, plus R2 squared, minus 2 times 8 times 4, because it's R1 times R2, cosine theta 2 minus theta 1, 300 minus 60. So this is going to be 64 plus 16 minus 64 cosine of 240. By the way, would it have mattered if we had done 60 minus 300 and gotten like cosine of negative 240? No, because it wouldn't matter, because with cosine, the negative just goes away, right? So then what I have here, you can plug this into your calculator, but also 64 plus 16 is 80, minus 64. What's cosine of 240? It's a half. So this could also be done without a calculator, okay? But it's negative, right? Cosine of 240 is negative a half. So this is 80 plus 32, which is 112, square root of 112 miles. The test is going to be calculator okay, so it'll be 10.6 miles. Okay, so really, like, that's all you have to know is just that formula and that. Now, so that's it. So the test is going to be all calculator okay. Let's go ahead and open up a graphing window, right? So here I'm going to press menu. Number 3 is graph entry edit. Let's go to number 5 for polar. Okay, right? So here, why don't we put in, let's say, I don't know, what do we want to put in? 2 cosine. Oh, let's do 3 theta. Why not? What did I do? Oh, did I not put the x? Theta and put x. So if you go to the pi button, right, there is a theta in there. Except, oh, what's wrong? I'm in degrees, right? Oh, and I'm frozen. No, I'm not. Okay, so we could go back, and why don't we make it, let's say 6 cosine, and let's do 4 theta. Ooh, pretty. Okay, right? So you could also like graph that way. Okay, but again, you know me, I always want you guys to be able to graph by hand first, really know how that thing is being traced out, so you can like get a good grasp of what the domain is and all that good stuff. Yeah. For the distance? No, I'll give it to you. Just that one. Okay. All right. So, what'll that give us? Oh, there's a time in there. Right?
Yeah, I got the same thing.
So what did you do? Oh, too many. So if you just do like 6 cosine theta, right? That's a circle, right? So now what if I do, oh my, that's,
Wait, how big can this thing get?
I put in 6 cosine.
We're gonna put in 400.
oh my
We're
gosh.
gonna put in 400.
Okay. All right. So have fun with that then. All right. Let's
Press start.